If you want to maintain your privacy while using Wish, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Wish app. Launch the Wish application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the Account Settings option and select it. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Within the Account Settings menu, scroll down to find the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy settings, look for an option related to online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the online status setting, make sure to save your changes. You may need to confirm your selection to ensure that your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Wish. Enjoy your shopping experience with added privacy.